Today, we are getting rid of these fake hood vents and we are installing a set of real hood vents. I'm talking Moto-Built real. I do recommend, if you are keeping your heat shield, to trace it out now. It'll make your life easier later on. The Moto-Built does come in raw aluminum, and you'll see that I black powder coated the two pieces that are on the outside of the hood. And then take note of the 5 spacers. These are the 5 screws that you're going to start with when installing. First, start by laying the 2 exterior pieces on the hood, and then insert 5 screws, and that'll be the 5 screws that use the 1/2-inch spacer. That's kind of important. And then in order to hold the hood vent down and keep the screws from falling out, I use some painter's tape, and just use as much as you want to hold the vent in place and hold the screws down, because you are going to open the hood all the way to continue with the installation. Yeah, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be these 3 and these 2. So I need to remove this. No spacer on this one. And you gotta get a spacer on this one, which is not gonna be easy. Oh my gosh, I keep dropping. Terrible. And there it is, it's installed. Still contemplating whether to put this back on. I think I might cut these holes larger so that airflow can still travel underneath. We'll see how that looks. And if I don't like it, I'll leave it just like this and take it off. I love how it's built in the USA, and I really appreciate Motobuilt giving me some extra nuts and bolts, because I don't know if I showed in the video, but I definitely dropped a few during this installation process. Then you just push down the vents and they stop at the bottom, they bottom out. And this is what it looks like with the heat shield back on. Doesn't look too BAD in my opinion. Those push pins that are holding it on, a note, you will break 50% of them, so go to your local hardware store and buy some extra push pins if you're gonna put it back on. It will be interesting to find out just how much heat these vents are releasing from the engine. I just got back from a drive. The hood itself is definitely cool to the touch, and the vents are definitely hot. I'll keep you posted on a future video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.